Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how we made our own farmhouse shutters for the front of our house. This really improved the looks of our house and I'm really excited to show you how we made them. So without further ado, let's get into it. When we first bought the house, the inside had recently been remodeled, but there hadn't been much done to the outside, so I thought shutters could really help. So we went ahead and measured each window and then cut the boards to size. These are board and batten shutters, so that's 3 long boards across, and then horizontal there's 2 smaller boards. So we measured 10 inches up from the bottom and made a mark to know where exactly to put the boards. We also put nails in between to space out the boards so they weren't really close together. We wanted to have a small gap. You could use spacers. So we glued the boards on, but we also end up screwing them on through the back, which you'll see later. We just really wanted to make sure they stayed on there and wouldn't fall off later. To make sure the boards didn't move at all while the glue dried, we also clamped them to the other boards just to make sure they stayed in place. And once the glue dried, we flipped the shutter over and put 2 screws in each board. And now it's my favorite part, staining. We decided to go with Minwax's Mahogany. It looked really nice with the color of the house. So I'm just applying stain with the grating, and then you want to make sure that you use a clear coat like a polyurethane to protect the shutter out in the elements and the rain and the sun. Of course, make sure your stain's dry before you do that. We made pilot holes in the shutters before we placed them up, and then I'm holding it here in place so my husband can go ahead and drill a pilot hole into the house. We wanted to make sure that the lag screws were able to go in okay. And we ended up putting 3 lag screws in each board across. And here is the final product. We love how this has changed the look of the house. When I drive up to the house now, it just makes me smile because it turned out so good. And I hope you guys enjoyed this project. And I will see you in the next one. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.